Hello viewers, I am Muhammad Ilyas and you are watching my YouTube channel Museum of Geology. Today I will discuss about the mineral quartz. So viewers, quartz is a hard crystalline mineral composed of silicon and oxygen atoms. It is the second most abundant mineral in Earth's continental crust behind feldspar. It is abundant in igneous, metamorphic and sedimentary rocks. It is highly resistant to both mechanical and chemical weathering. This durability makes it the dominant mineral of mountain tops and the primary constituent of beach, river and desert sand. So quartz is an important mineral with numerous uses. Sand, which is composed of tiny quartz pebbles, is the primary ingredient for manufacture of glass. And the transparent rock crystal has many electronic uses. It is used as an oscillator in radios, watches, pressure gauges and in the study of optics. So viewers, quartz has used in jewelry production. We can say quartz has been used in jewelry production and as a gemstone. The hard, polished, crystalline and durable nature of quartz make it an excellent material for this purpose. So the varieties of quartz popularly used as jewelry gemstone including amethyst, rose quartz and opal. Quartz is also used in petroleum industry. So the silica sand alongside water and other chemicals under high pressure is forced down into bedrock formation via a well. The silica sand injects into the fractures and holds it in place, creating a passage for a flow of natural gas. So for a flow of natural gas from bedrock to the well. The process is known as hydraulic fracturing. Quartz also, we can say quartz sand used in a ceramics industry for making ceramic tiles. Also quartz is in powder form, or we can say the quartz in powder state used as a filler in manufacture of paint and rubber. And viewers, remember that the quartz is significantly used in production of wristwatches and clocks in Pakistan. And now I will discuss about the deposits of quartz. So in Pakistan, quartz deposits are in Peshawar district, Kohistan, Mansehra, Dir and Swat region of KPK. In tribal areas, it is found in Mohmand Agency, Bajaur, Khyber Agency and Waziristan, and Chilas and Shigar areas of Gilgit-Baltistan. In Balochistan province of Pakistan, it is found in the areas of Chaman, Taftan, Chaghi, Panjgor, Loralai and Kalat. Quartz deposits are found in many countries across the world like China, Japan and Russia, but the largest producers are Arkansas and USA and Brazil in the world. So viewers, it is important information about the quartz. I hope you will enjoy this valuable information. If you are newbie on my channel, so subscribe the channel to get valuable information. Let's wait for my next video. Thank you.